Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's almost time, isn't it?
Yes, for the NEC.
It is. It's the NEC coming up very soon. It's from the Tuesday the 14th to Sunday the 19th. And there's going to be lots this year. The manufacturers of caravans, motorhomes and campervans are going to be showing us their new latest offerings, and it's going to be really interesting to see what they're all coming up with this year.
Yeah, it gives everybody a perfect opportunity to actually do some comparisons.
Yeah.
And if you like one, and then you look at another one, and you think, I can go back and have a look, and it makes it so much easier.
Yeah, it does. You can compare them all under one roof, and you can ask the questions sometimes that you might have been a bit shy of asking before. So you can get into the ribs, ask them what they're doing, how they've done it, if they made any improvements, whatever it is. You can ask them questions, and it might help you decide on which caravan, motorhome or campervan you're interested in.
Yeah, and also don't forget we've got all the accessories.
Well,
I mean,
yes, there is.
I mean, say the motorhome and caravan show this year. I mean, looking at it, I mean, said how many just different brands you get.
Yeah.
So if you look into a big purchase like an awning, there's so many. You can ask questions, you can have a look, you can work out how many chairs, how many table size you need.
Are they this, are they that, are they comfortable? You've got loads of opportunities to actually get into it and really look at what you're interested in, and I really do like the idea of that.
You do as well. So you've got also like demonstrations.
Yes, you have, and talks. I believe Andrew Ditton's talking on Wednesday and Thursday.
No, it's Tuesday and Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday. I do apologise. It is Tuesday and Wednesday.
No, it's us that are going. We're
going on Thursday.
Yes,
that's right.
Sadly, we Suffolk will miss him, but we're going on a Thursday and Friday this year. So
and we've got a challenge ahead for our video, which we're really looking forward to.
We've also been able to film on the Swift stand, so we're going to actually look a bit more in depth in a few caravans, aren't we?
Yes, certainly from Swift and maybe a couple of other manufacturers as well. Now, it's 18 quid on the day, but if you pre-book, you can save 4 quid per ticket, and kids go free. So I've just had a look now on the actual website, and it looks like we're almost full for Saturday, but the other days are going to be available at this present time. So it's worth getting your tickets pre rather than turning up on the day.
Also, as well, is if you have you're a blue badge holder, I think you could actually get I think it's buy one get one free. Actually, if you're a blue badge holder.
Check that out as well.
Check that out as well.
Yep. So all in all, it's going to be a really exciting time. Like Juliet said, you know, we're going to be doing some filming there and doing a challenge that we've set ourselves, and that is going to be really good. I'm really looking forward to that. And also, if you do see us, say hello.
Yeah, please come and
please come and say hello to us.
Please come and say hello. We'd love to have a chat with you.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We'll leave the link description below for the actual site, so you can check it out. And perhaps if you come in, book your tickets early. But that's it from us. Thank you very much for watching.
We'll see you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.